Hey, Rory. Some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. Or you just stay there.
Come on.
Good girl. Aspen? Aspen, don't do it.
I know that you would like to play in the snow, but the neighbors say I'm abusing you.
We got it. Oh, we made it. You're almost to the door. Turn around, go back to the door. Turn around, go back to the door. Come on, back to the, that's not the door.
Eve, I beg of you, please come inside before the neighbors call the cops again.
You coming in? Are you? Gotta go inside.
Why? Pretty, please.
Let's go inside.
Пёс, вставай! Пёс! Чего я-то? Красотка!
Push.